Hello there, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I will show you how I celebrated the new year. So guys, we have arrived in Melbourne city. People have already arrived. The government has closed the road to Docklands due to the huge crowd of people. We didn't find any parking space here. We found a parking space far away. I was a little bit hungry in this middle of it. I took my favorite fried chicken. I have already posted a video of it on my channel. Then we started walking. Not just us, everyone has walking. Look how many people are around. People from all over Melbourne are gathering here. With difficulty, I found a place to stand. This is my first time celebrating 31st night in Melbourne. Next time, inshallah, I plan to do it in Sydney. The countdown will start in a few moments. Everyone is waiting for this magical moment. Finally, fireworks were over. The music festival around us was still going on and people were dancing, but we cannot stay long enough because it's too late, so we have to call it a day. Then we started walking toward our parking space. That's all for today. Happy New Year. May the new year start anew for everyone. May everyone's new dreams come true this year. I hope if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.